Hi friends, this is Lokesh Gorandla. Welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. Today we are going to discussing about the Karate framework futures. A previous video I completed for the introduction for the Karate framework. Okay. Now the future is basically this Karate framework coming from the Cucumber extension. In this Karate framework, you don't want to create a new step. Basically it is having the inbuilt steps. Those things you can utilize and you can write the steps. It is basically fully complete Gherkin language. How the Cucumber is provide the Gherkin language, the same thing we are going to utilizing the Karate framework also. Okay, it is a inbuilt switching environments also it is gives. And third point is the compressive supporting for the HTTP include the SOAP and XML, HTTPS, HTTP proxies. It's basically some other like SOAP. If you're going to SOAP, it is different way. It is number of things it is providing. The same way now Karate framework it is inbuilt. It will support the XML format, a SOAP things and everything else it is providing. Here proxy level it will support. If you want to file upload things, that also we can do it, and those inbuilt functionalities is presented. HTTP API mocks also it will we can do it. And integration with a popular Java unit testing frameworks such as JUnit. The inbuilt Karate framework having the JUnit functionality. You don't want to require to install a JUnit and those things inbuilt of that. But when we are going to use the framework wise, we have to use the jar files. But inbuilt JUnit framework such as JUnit is presented. Comparability continuous integration tool it will presented. Web browser automation using Chrome. That Chrome has a DevTools protocol it is provided. Cross-browser automation via W3C WebDriver specification. Like if you are going to use the Selenium, right? Whenever you use the Selenium, you have to write cross-browser automation. Like cross-browser is basically a multiple browsers. Whenever the one website is developed, we have to verify it will support the same feature in other browser or not. We have to verify. That is called as a cross browser, like Chrome and Proxy, Opera, IA. These four type of or any new browser is present, that also we have to verify this website is supporting that particular browser or not. Comparability we have to test it. Web browser automation also we can do it. Basically it is in a 5 most open source application. Like 5 most open source means this is a very open source. We can utilize that framework and we can easily develop our scripts. This is all about the futures. Thank you about to watching my video. If you like this video, please like me and please provide the comments and please subscribe my videos. Thank you.